Hi, I'm Patrik Muehlematter, the founder of FairTech Online Marketing Mastery Program. In this video, I will explain why is local SEO so important and how it can improve your business. As I have already explained in previous video about what is local SEO, this will bring you additional business. But in this process, you will also officialize the authenticity of your address, your physical address for Google. And this is a very important milestone for your success online. A good local SEO optimization will amplify the success of your entire online project. It will help for your branding. The more visible you are, the more trust you gain from your potential customers. When a user performs a search in Google, he will go down the list of the result he gets. He will surf from website to website from the company that he finds in front of him. Believe me, he will find what he's looking for. Google is very strong in providing result to their user exactly what they are looking for. Once in front of the list, the user will use it. He will not start to brainstorm, oh, do I know somebody else who provides this service or product, and start using the phone book or the yellow page in order to find you. If you're not visible in Google, you don't exist. This is a brutal fact. Time has changed. Make sure that you are visible. Also, nowadays, users use more and more their mobile phone to perform their searches. In Google local results, they will be able to press direction and on their GPS follow the direction to drive right in front of your door. Or if you're not a front door shop, they will be able to contact you directly or your sales force. Mobile and desktop user will be able to call you directly by just clicking on the button Call Now. If your competitor have this function, who do you think your potential client will call? Users will use the easy way. For me, this is already more than enough reason to care about my local SEO. But there are much more reasons. They will drastically improve your visibility online. It will show that you are very present in your market and validate your professionalism. You will master your online presence. It will also pre-sale your product and services you have to offer. Local SEO does not stop by Google My Business. It will also cover local directories, and there you can beat your strong competitors like I will show in the next video. Working on your local optimization will be your first step into your business growth automation, where clients start to come to you instead of you going to search for them. This will definitely make a huge change how you do business, add much more fun to it as you start to master your market. The benefit of it will help you open new budget into your online marketing that will give you back the control of your time and remove the burden of searching for new clients. This is one of the first steps we use in FairTech's online marketing program. This program will cost you nothing, as it is sustained by steps like this one that will bring you additional income and will finance the next step to do. The more you advance in the program, the bigger your budget becomes and also your revenue. The program brings you a constant increase of new customers coming from alone to you months after months. I hope this short introduction about why local SEO is so important was useful to you and that I could motivate you to take action. I will post some link in the description below to learn more about it. Please feed me back how is local SEO working for you and how you do it. Feel free also to ask questions. I will be pleased to reply in a future video. Stay tuned or contact us to learn more about success online. If not yet done, subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell in order to be the first one informed about new informative video like this one that FairTech upload. You can also browse our channel to find other useful video. Thanks for watching. I wish you a great success online, and like always, remember, where FairTech goes, business grows.